Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will cover different topics of human resources management like organizational charts, different complex position title of HRM, and career path of human resource management. So let's start with the organizational chart. Organizational chart is also called organogram. It is a visual representation of the structure of a company or department, showing hierarchies, reporting lines, and roles. In simple words, it is a visual representation. It shows us who is reporting to whom. Secondly, some HR position titles are confusing and hard to differentiate and understand their area of work. These are as follows. Number one, HR business partner and HR business partner, HRBP, is a strategic HR professional who works closely with senior leaders and managers to align human resources practices with business goals. Unlike traditional HR roles focused on administrative tasks, HRBPS focus on workforce planning, talent management, organizational development, and change management. Number two, HR specialist. An HR specialist is a human resources professional who focuses on a specific area within HR, such as recruitment, training and development, compensation and benefits, employee relations, or compliance. HR specialists often work within larger HR teams, supporting both strategic initiatives and day-to-day operations. Number three, HR Generalist. An HR Generalist is a human resources professional who handles a wide range of HR tasks rather than specializing in just one area. They support both employees and management by implementing HR policies, resolving workplace issues, and ensuring smooth day-to-day HR operations. Other than that, another question arises regarding the career path of HR professional. Career path for HR professional comprises of different role and levels, like entry-level, mid-level, and senior-level positions. For entry-level position, most of the people join the organization as intern or as assistant. For mid and senior level positions, organizations hired experienced candidates that meets hiring criteria, which varies from organization to organization. The best way to join the organization is as intern, because many companies don't offer pay for internships, but it's a valuable opportunity to prove your skills, commitment, and cultural fit. Treat it as a chance to learn, contribute meaningfully, and show your potential. A strong performance can lead to a full-time offer and long-term career growth within the organization. This is the end of lecture 2. Thank you for watching.